Our brand new NHD 325 delivers big on features without the big price tag. Fully loaded, boat show special price on this beauty is just $409,000. Let's go check it out. And starting out here on the aft deck, of course you have your signature NHD double open decks. This particular model is powered by twin Verado 300s, and we opted for a little bit different layout here. Instead of the grill and entertainment space, we got some bar stools and a nice adjustable seat that you can either recline backwards or forwards. You also have a sink and the fills to both your diesel tank for the generator and gasoline. And taking a look down below in your machinery space, you have one of your 2 fuel tanks. You have a total of 211 gallons of fuel capacity, so plenty of juice to get you to the Bahamas and back. Also down below, you have a 9 kilowatt Northern Lights diesel generator, which is nice and reliable. Well, this boat is Seakeeper ready. It is not equipped with a Seakeeper, but it has enough capacity if you want us to add that later on. And stepping into the cockpit here, you'll find we opted for the terracotta upholstery, which pairs nicely with the silver hull color and the black T-top. We've also got some nice LED accents, which we do on all of our boats. We did the blue, which gives it a very Miami kind of feel. And you have as well some more Teak accents with the signature NHD table and this Brazilian Teak, which is really nice. Some built-in cup holders as well. Sound system, we partnered with DS18, paired with the Fusion head unit. So this is really the ultimate entertainment boat. Nicely configured helm station here. You have great visibility and sightline sitting down. If you want a little more of a sporty driving position, you can flip this bolster up. And this is how I personally like to drive. And with this boat, we paired it with twin 9-inch Garmin's GPS. You also have your Mercury joystick, which is fantastic for docking and close quarters maneuvering. And we also paired this boat with the Zipwake automatic trim tabs. So it takes all the guesswork of trying to mess with the tabs. You know, it makes tiny little adjustments to keep you at a very smooth, comfortable driving position. And on the port side here, you have a refrigerated box that can double as a cooler, or you can actually add a refrigerator plate if you want it to be a full fridge. And right below the helm chair as well, there's just lots of thoughtful touches on this boat, which I appreciate as a boater. So this is a little area that can double as storage or a garbage can. So let's run it up a bit and see what we can do. Performance on this boat is fantastic with the aggressive hull design paired with those twin Verado 300s. And you can see as we're ramping up here, about 30 miles an hour cruise is the sweet spot. And at that speed, we're getting 1.05, 1.06 nautical miles per gallon. So with the 211 gallon tank capacity, that gives us roughly a 220 mile range at cruise. Very competitive in the class. And topping out 42 miles an hour before we had to slow down for the drone. This boat should do 45, 46 miles an hour flat out. And handling silky smooth as we're hitting some of these turns. Really grips the water and loses virtually no speed. So I absolutely love the way this 325 runs. And up on the bow, another thing I love about this boat, it's really a true hybrid. You get all the benefits of an open bow rider, but still have the cabin underneath. And with this, you have 3 beautiful lounge style seats, plenty of cup holders and speakers up here too. And down below as well, you'll find a nicely equipped cabin. You got a V-berth forward that converts to a table, a galley to port that can be customized to any client's liking. Starboard, you have your head, and underneath the stairs, you also have a midship berth. So comfortably sleeping 4 on this boat. Of course, I mentioned the generator, so when you're off grid with the AC, you can be in full comfort. So I really love this 325 model because it has all of the amenities of our larger boats, our larger models in a slightly more compact package and an excellent price point. If you want to see this boat in person, give me a call. This is Pete with FYI Yachts, and we'll see you on the water.